How would you like to multiply your leads? I'm not talking about a 10 or 15% increase here, or even 100%. What if you can increase your leads by 350%? And that too without touching your ad budget. Would you be interested? Of course you'd be. Who wouldn't want to get more leads? The hack that I'm about to tell you about has been earlier used by big, and I mean huge names like PayPal, Uber, and Dropbox. Well, at that time, they weren't exactly big, but look at them now. In fact, this hack is the main reason as to why they are as big as they are today. Seeing their success, many other companies invested big money to increase leads later. More leads means more sales and more profits. Presenting Viral Lead Funnels, a brand new software that helps you build viral lead funnels in minutes. Collect more leads. Use these new leads to generate even more leads. Viral Lead Funnels helps you set a viral loop in motion that generates leads on autopilot. Use this to drive more traffic, sales, and grow your business or that of your clients. Here's how it works. Step 1, people sign up on your viral funnels. You could create these in under 2 minutes. You need no technical skills or any prior experience. When they sign up, they immediately get something of value, like an ebook, for example. Now, step 2, these subscribers then get their own unique link to share your campaigns with their friends and family to unlock further rewards. Step 3, the system creates a viral loop where every new subscriber goes through the same 2 steps and sends you even more subscribers. With Viral Lead Funnels, you could easily create viral contests, giveaways, sweepstakes, or even a viral waiting list in just 2 minutes. The built-in page builder helps you create beautiful landing pages and thank you pages for your lead funnel. Viral Lead Funnels is just loaded with advanced features like social sharing of your campaigns to help you get free traffic and leads, urgency timers that can be added to your campaigns, exit intent pop-ups to convert visitors who are just about to leave your page, detailed analytics, tracking and retargeting, etc. The software supports multiple languages, over 60 of them. You can check out all the details on this page below this video. Frankly, I've only scratched the surface in this video of what Viral Lead Funnels can do for you. It takes just 2 minutes to start a campaign and complete funnel that generates a viral loop to pull leads in on complete autopilot. With Viral Lead Funnels, you won't need any experience. There's no learning curve, and creating a viral campaign, well, it's quick and easy. Now, before I go, I must tell you one more thing. Only during this special launch, you could get commercial rights to Viral Lead Funnels without upgrading. That's right. The exclusive bonuses lined up on the page are also available only during this launch. Viral Lead Funnels is, at the moment, available at a massively discounted one-time price that will increase to a much higher recurring fee payable monthly or yearly. So go ahead, check the rest of the features out under this video, and make sure you get early access with all the benefits included today.